In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and color a table on Trello, a popular project management software. Whether you're using Trello for personal projects or managing a team, customizing your boards can make them more visually appealing and easier to navigate. So let's dive in and look at how you can personalize your Trello experience with colors. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. If you're not already familiar with Trello, it's an intuitive online tool that allows users to manage tasks and projects through visual boards. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button. This is typically found in the top right corner of the site. Clicking on it will direct you to the login page. Here you have the option to sign in using your email address or your Google account. If you're an existing user, simply enter your credentials to access your Trello account. For those using Google, the integration is seamless and may be quicker, especially if you're logged into your Google account on your browser. Once you're logged into your Trello account, you'll see all your available boards. Navigate to the Boards section, usually found at the top navigation bar. This section provides an overview of all the boards you have access to. Next, head to the Your Workspaces section, where you'll find the workspace or project you're currently working on. Click on the board where you want to make the magic happen. Make sure it's the right board, as this is where you'll be customizing the appearance. After opening your chosen board, you'll see all the lists and cards, familiar components of a Trello board, laid out in a Kanban style format. Take a look at the list names within your board. You'll notice small icons or three dots situated next to each list title. This is the More button, which provides a drop-down menu with additional options for customizing your list. Click on these three dots to explore those options. In this menu, you will find the option to change the list's color. Color coding your lists can help make them easily distinguishable and more visually structured, serving to highlight the priority or category of each list effectively. Select the color that you wish to apply. This can be based on your personal preference or a structured color coding system for better organization. Choosing different colors for specific lists can also help in prioritizing or categorizing different tasks at a glance. And there you have it. You've just learned how to edit and color a table on Trello, giving your projects a splash of color and making them more manageable. By customizing your Trello board with distinct colors, you'll be able to streamline your workflow and increase productivity. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps make your project management a breeze. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.